Welcome everybody to XMinder. This is a beginning learning tutorial on how to use the XMinder system. If you first logged in, you should see a screen similar to this screen right here. The area that we're going to focus on is where it says database and campaigns. I'm going to go through several short videos that'll teach you how to get up and running very, very quickly. And the first thing we're going to focus on is building a database. Now, you very well may already have a database of clients or prospective clients, and the first thing you want to do is let me start with the database real quick. The first thing we do, okay, we open our database screen here. You'll see a blank screen, but mine has some databases already in here. Very simple. For the moment, don't worry where it says DNC. What will worry about is where it says database. You click on new contact list. You call it whatever you want. We'll just happen to call it contact one. Just for the purpose of this, you can put a description if you choose to, if you have multiple databases. Real briefly, many people choose just to have one large database. Then you can do searches within the database and then create your campaigns from that. Other people choose to have multiple different databases. It's your choice. We press save. And you don't have to be a database expert. Now, guess what we have? We have contact one. You double click on it, and you can see here we have all those fields: first name, last name, cell phone, home phone, office phone, email, the status of the account, the date submitted, and last updated. Now, before I start using the database, I do want to show you, everything is, by the way, you can see here in upper tabs. You could open multiple databases, as you can see right here. And you can assign them, move them over. Now, what you want to do is, let me close this and let me show you how to edit the database. If edit that, and then add a new field, and we will call the field let's just call it. Let's say you wanted to know if they're a male or female. Right now, at this point in time, you can't have any spaces or underscores in between, so you have to just use it like that, or you could, but that doesn't matter. That's just the name on the database. In the back end, you could just say that for the label, you could just get male or female. It's a text field, and then we press OK, and now you have male or female. You then close the database. You save it. Then if you open the database by double-clicking or pressing run, you'll now see a new field in here called male or female. If you don't want it positioned over here, you can just drag and drop it and move it over here. If you want to open two databases at once, again, you can just have two databases open at once. You can click on one or close one, doesn't matter. Anyway, that's how we set up a database. The next thing we would do is, how do we input records into the database? Well, the first thing, a simple thing, you could just do a manual input. You could put the first name in John Doe, and you can put a cell phone in here, 555-555-5555. Home number, office number, email, john@gmail.com, and then in this case, male or female, it will be a male. You press save, and guess what? Right over here is where you have it. And that's that. If you need to edit these later, you can just edit them later and go from there. Just double click on it and start editing. Now, these other fields for the moment are important. They're all important, but not for the moment. We're just simply trying to let you know how to fill your database, because within this marketing system, the first thing what we're trying to do is build a database of active clients and prospective clients that you'll contact through this multi-form contact management system, whether text, email, video, voice broadcast, all of those, with one simple database to use. Now, that's one way. The second way to upload your database is just simply upload CSV or Excel file. You can always export those at any time as a CSV or Excel later, or even a PDF. For the moment, I'm not going to do that. It's self-explanatory when you just simply upload a file. Okay, everyone, just go to the next video on how to create a web form, and that will show you how to add additional contacts to your database. Thank you.